Andrea Bocelli is an Italian opera tenor and multi-instrumentalist. He was born to Alessandro and Eddie Bocelli on September 22, 1958. Doctors had advised the couple to avoid him as they predicted that the child would be born with a disability. It was evident at birth that Bocelli had numerous problems with his sight and he was eventually diagnosed with congenital glaucoma. He has stated that his mother's decision to give birth to him and overrule the doctor's advice was the inspiration for him to oppose abortion. Bocelli grew up on his family's farm, where they sold farm machinery and made wine in the small village of La Stargia, a frazione of Lazzatico, Tuscany, Italy, about 40 kilometers south of Pisa. His mother and younger brother Alberto still live in the family home. Bocelli showed a great passion for music as a young boy. His mother has said that music was the only thing that would comfort him. Andrea Bocelli is regarded a highly successful crossover performer with several albums of both classical and pop music to his record and is credited to have brought classical music to the top of international pop charts. He is also the creator of 9 complete operas. Blessed with a timbre that is full, powerful and versatile, he can effortlessly render with the same perfection a scared hymn or a pop song. Bocelli met his first wife, Enrica Sengetti, while singing at piano bars early in his career. They were married on 27 June 1992. Their first child, son Amos, and their second son, Matteo. The couple separated in 2002. Bocelli lives with his second wife and manager, Veronica Berti. They met in 2002. In September 2011, the couple announced that Berti was expecting her first and Bocelli's third child, a daughter, in the spring. The couple live in Fort de Marmi on the Mediterranean. Bocelli married Veronica Berti on 21st March 2014 at the sanctuary of Montenerio in the coastal town of Livorno, Italy. He was diagnosed with congenital glaucoma at 5 months old and became completely blind at age 12 following a football accident. He rose to fame in 1994, winning the preliminary round of the 44th Sanremo Music Festival performing Miserere, with the highest marks ever recorded in the newcomers section. He has sold over 80 million records worldwide and was nominated for an Academy Award for Best Original Song for The Prayer, his duet with Celine Dion. In 1998, Bocelli was named one of People magazine's 50 Most Beautiful People. He duetted with Celine Dion on the song The Prayer for the animated film Quest for Camelot, which won the Golden Globe Award for Best Original Song and was nominated for the Academy Award for Best Original Song. In 1999, he was nominated for Best New Artist at the Grammy Awards. His first compilation album, Romanza, is one of the best-selling albums of all time, while Sacra Darius is the biggest-selling classical album by any solo artist in history. The 2019 album C debuted at number 1 on the UK Albums Chart and US Billboard 200, becoming Bocelli's first number 1 album in both countries. His song Con te Partidio, included on his second album Bocelli, is one of the best-selling singles of all time. On 13 September 2020, Bocelli performed the Italian national anthem at the 2020 Tuscan Grand Prix. On 1st February 2019, Bocelli performed a sold-out concert in winter at Tantora Festival running at AIUIA for the first time in Saudi Arabia. In June 2018, Bocelli released the single If Only, his first after 14 years. On 20 September 2018, Bocelli released the single Fall on Me, which features vocals from his son Matteo. The two performed the song on 22 October episode of Dancing with the Stars.